Mullen stock, ticker MULN, Mullen Automotive. It's up 15% today, almost 16% here, 12 cents now at the time of this video, which is obviously not significant price action from obviously where many people and many investors would like Mullen Automotive stock to be. But 15%, 16% in positive gains here, I think is a good sign. Again, I don't want to waste anyone's time. I just want to talk about a few things in regards to Mullen stock. It is, again, the most heavily traded stock here on the market today. 204 million. Let's actually refresh this to see if any trading volume is at 274 million trades here of MULN stock. So massive trading volume here. Yeah, just a stock here that has just been generating significant interest for a while now. Let's not waste any time though. Let's just get right into this update. So first, just some quick housekeeping notes. Mullen, an emerging EV manufacturer, filed a civil complaint for defamation in the Superior Court of Delaware today, alleging that on March 22nd, .LA published an article on its website authored by David Schultz that contained false and defamatory statements regarding Mullen. I guess they're just filing a defamation lawsuit against a newspaper or a publication for defamation and just like false information putting out there in the public, which I mean is pretty serious considering Mullen is a massive, not a massive in the realm of like other EV companies, but they got a lot of money that they can use to their advantage in these types of civil arguments and civil lawsuits. So definitely going to be interesting. I don't think this will have any impact on the price, but definitely some newsworthy things to share. But I wanted to just share like $Mullen on Twitter. You can see this video here, right? When I went to RM on March 23rd, I counted 34 Mullen and 133 Elms on the lot. There's another lot public cannot get into, right? So you can see here, there's another video as well showing the Mullen vehicles in a fleet. You can see here's all the Mullen vehicles. There's another one here I wanted to show. Yeah, look at the EV ones. The EV ones are right here. We had talked about in the previous video how we were waiting for just confirmation. I think March 31st of Mullen going to be delivering those things to the Randy Isuzu company, or the Isuzu LLC that bought $200 million worth of Mullen EVs. We were waiting for like news on whether or not that's going to happen. I think we're still actually waiting on that. But nonetheless, I think very interesting to kind of see what's happening here. Look at this tweet here by Chacha72 Kobe 4ER. 6,000 vans at 200 million, and next year 30,000 on it, so it can be 1 billion. Think about that, folks. It's just from the Mullen 1, Mullen 3, and you have the Bollinger Motors B4 and B5. Mullen Automotive is not short-term play forms. Now that's something we've been alluding to kind of in regards to Mullen stock, is just the long-term like potential, right? This has always been a long-term play, a long-term hold here. As I think with any EV stock, you have to kind of look forward towards more of a bigger picture type of expectancy when you talk about where you want these stock and their prices to be moving forward. But nonetheless, I think we're seeing Mullen stock today have a positive day because more so there's just not really any bad news that's coming from Mullen stock. I think overall, you see this is the Chianti, GTS and GTRS that they're releasing with Chianti Motors that they're looking to implement here in the Northern American markets here. There was another tweet I wanted to share with you guys. Here's another one that I think is interesting. Mullen EV loan approval, Menzies approval, van deliveries, RDDS, $2.7 billion contract, only 200 million market cap, buyout, new Mullen 5 tour. Too many bullish scenarios for Mullen, to be honest. Only way is up. So again, I've talked about this even in the previous videos, that the things that Mullen Automotive is doing now, if they come through and follow through and do everything that they're saying they're going to do, not that they've given false promises before, but if they do everything they say they're going to do and it actually comes true, there's a lot of bullish sentiment in regards to Mullen, in my opinion. Obviously not one that I'm extremely bullish on currently, but the potential is there, right? This is an EV company that is actually manufacturing cars and going to be delivering them very soon to customers. So this is a stock here that I think at 12 cents is just one to put on your watch list, like I've been talking about. Nothing serious. I think there's still a massive opportunity to get a position, and there will be for a while moving forward. In the comments below, you guys feel about Mullen. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.